Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. Marami hong hindi nakaka-adapt sa teknolohiya hong nagaganap hong kasalukuyan. Yun hong mga traditional media personalities, traditional media professionals. Sila ho yung mga nagsusulat sa dyaryo, o di kaya mga broadcasters, hindi kaya mga TV personalities and say it, or sila ho'y broadcasters or columnista or nagsusulat ho, writers in the traditional media, sa dyaryo man yan, if not sa radyo, sa telebisyon. Ang tingin ho nila talaga sa teknolohiya yun ang sinasabi ho natin, the social media, nakukonfuse ho sila eh. Pag sinabing social media, mga boss, they think that social media is a profession, which is not. It's just a platform. Marami ho kasi nakukonfuse pag sinabing social media, and they think na ang social media is competing with the traditional media, nakikipagkompetensya yung social media sa traditional media, and the traditional media are always on guard na mawawala sa kanilang trabaho nila sa television yan, sa larangan ng television, whether you're a news reader ka man or whatever is your position, whether you're a writer, columnist, or whatever it is that you do in the traditional media, they think na marireplace na ho yung kanilang sinasabing trabaho sa pamamagitan ng social media kung pag-uusapan ng kanilang pagiging mamamahayag or journalism, or being a journalist, or this journalism in a way na para bang nalulusaw na gawa ng social media. Wrong! Very, very wrong. Makikita niyo ho talaga yung mga taong hindi ho naintindihan yung teknolohiya, and they just blubber their mouth and they talk based on their fears and uncertainty. That's why they sounded more like they're funny clowns. Can you believe that? And they write pieces of column and something to do with the traditional, the social media, that they think the social media is their foe. No! Social media is just a technology. Although may mga iba ho dyan sa social media nang galing, all of a sudden, inimplant mo sa traditional media, and that's what they're saying. Hindi ho nag-aaral ng journalism, and then nilagay mo lang dyan, pagkatapos, akala journalist ka na, although mali naman yon. Pero yun ang mga insecure naman sa traditional media na akala nag-aral ho sila ng journalism, pagkatapos akala ho nila, mapapalitan na ho kanilang mga ginagawa at kanilang pag-aralan, natutunan yung mga sinasabing the laws of journalism, all these, the ethics, the canons of journalism, there's, if you will, parang ganon. Mga boss, mali ho sila eh. Kasi akala ho nila yung facts and theories about journalism masisira't malulusaw gawa nga ho ng social media. Para doon sa mga insecure na hindi ho alam ang kanilang mga pinagsasabi, bagkus ay nagsusulat na lang ho sila. Sometimes they broadcast or sometimes nagsasalita or have programs on TV or radio. They don't know what they're talking about. And they're ridiculous and funny. You know why? They don't know anything about the technology. And they think na parang ang social media is gonna kill them. It's just a technology. Ngayon, para ho sa akin, pag-usapan na lang ho natin siguro itong mga sinasabing social media, the new media and traditional media. Pag sinabi ho kasing social media, mabilis hong kalat ho agad, sharing agad ng sinasabing mga impormasyon, kanilang nakakalap. May mga ibang mga vloggers nagsusulat dyan and everything. But it's like sa fast food, parang ganito lang ho ang halintulad natin. Sa mga sitwasyon ho, nakikita nitong mga kolokoy na to na insecure, na hindi naintindihan ka lang mga pinagsasabit pa nagsusulat. Para kang pumunta sa mall, tapos pumunta ka sa food court, marami kang makikita mga junk food, fast food, healthy foods. And so bahala ka na kung anong kukunin mo roon. Depende. Kung pinipilahan yung junk food, well, you know exactly. Your choice, your consequence. Anong gagawin sa katawan mo yan? In the same manner, ganun din ho sa social media. Alam mo natin marami hong basura sa social media. Alam mo natin marami hong trash. And we see a lot of scumbags pretending to be, who'd like to be, someone that never was, that never will be. It's in the social media. And also sa mga new media site, well, there are those, sabihin na ho natin, really credible new media sites. And you can see exactly from their structure, and their credibility is based on the facts that are presenting. Unlike sa social media, ala kong facts yan, kwento na ho yan, kung minsan siraan pa. And that's reality because that's the technology. Ang problema lang ho kasi if you cannot adapt to the present technology, malilito ka. Teknolohiya lang ho to eh. You know, the way that these people na medyo natatakot ho kasi, na-insecure ho sila. They feel threatened by the social media. Yung kanilang ginagawa ngayon kasi nawawala na ho yung kanilang equity because they're not evolving. As a matter of fact, yun ho mga malaking dyaryo, malaking stasyon ng telebisyon, meron din ho sila yung sinasabing social media, link ho doon sa kanilang new media na yung sa traditional media, nag-set up po sila ng mga .net na ganyan, yung mga new media na yan. Nililink ko nila sa Facebook nila, linking, and everything. And these people who do not know anything about this technology start to blubber their mouth, and they don't know what they're talking, and they're funny. Poor fellows. Hindi ko nakakapag-adapt eh. They don't understand that the social media is just a technology. Kami ho sa BMUI, I keep saying to my people, I keep saying to the new graduate, do not make a profession out of a social media. It's just a platform. You want to make a profession, then get into the new media, carefully structured with the ethics of journalism, the canons of journalism, and the law of journalism, everything in there. Because you learn more about humanities and some things, and anything there is to know, na pag-aralan mo, then gamitin mo yung sinasabing teknolohiya. So a lot of traditional media people are threatened, even in the U.S., by the new media people. And they claim na wala naman kayong mga reporter, wala naman kayong mga sources and everything. So, they think the same old-fashioned way. Kaya kung tawagin ho natin, lumang tao. Hindi ho lang intindihan, nag-i-evolve po yan eh. Because they also have their market na outgrown na ho sila ng kanilang mga merkado. Yung mga sumusunod sa kanila, tumatangkilik sa kanila, unti-unti nawawala, nalulusaw. Can you imagine yung mga ibang dyan na medyo, they keep doing the same thing over and over and over and over. They think that it's still the same thing, viable pa rin sila. Yung 10 years back, yung ginagawa nila 10 years ago, they're still doing it over. 20 years ago, they still think it could still be done at the present day. And wrong. You must evolve.